The cartridge oil filter cap on many modern vehicles is often overlooked as a consumable. Fact is, these items do wear, and Tridon has a replacement cap range for over 1.5 million vehicles. These vehicles include Australian, Japanese, Korean and European models, for which each cap is manufactured to OEM standards, using high-quality metals and heat-resistant plastics. With a total of 46 part numbers available, you'd be hard-pressed to find a vehicle they don't suit. Heat can play a significant part in the degradation of these oil caps over time, as does the force used each time the cap is removed and torqued back up. The result can be a cracked or ill-fitting oil cap, which will result in oil leaks or even worse, low oil pressure and a vehicle that won't run. To ensure ultimate reliability, it's best practice to replace the filter cap at every service, a task that is made easy thanks to compatibility with Toledo and Ryco oil filter removal tools. When your next service is due, remember oil, filter, and a Tridon oil filter cap.